Hi, sweet second graders. It's Mrs. Coslow and Leah here to go over your learning today for November 2nd, 2020. I'm going to get the at-home learning calendar so we can go over it bit by bit. So I'll be looking at it as I am talking to you. And Leah even helped with an assignment today, which is why she's here. Okay, most importantly, go to Flipgrid first thing and wish Rosie a happy birthday. Today is her birthday, and it's important that we show her how much we care about her. So go ahead and go to Flipgrid and make her a video. We will be singing to her later. Now, our word of the week is unanimous. So in your purple folder, you're going to be writing down the word of the week, and how you say it is unanimous.
Unanimous.
Good. Let's say it again. Unanimous.
Unanimous.
Good. Unanimous, the sentence that we have is, everyone in the class voted to go to the zoo. So the unanimous decision was approved by the teacher. Okay, write down what you think unanimous means. And unanimous is describing the decision that was made. After you write down your new word of the week, go to Seesaw through Clever, and there should be an activity there called complete sentences. Now remember, in order for a sentence to be complete, not just words, to make it a sentence, it has to have both a noun and a verb. So if it doesn't have a noun and a verb, it's probably not a complete sentence. Then if you didn't already, you could complete the word search that your buddy gave you. And it should have been with your letters from your second grade buddy. So we'll see how much you can get done before you hop onto science. Now, after science, you will join us. Well, you'll join our class. And when you come to our class Zoom, I would like you to bring your green assessment pocket. It's a pocket. See, it just has a little opening. And then inside there are these packets that we are going to, here, I'll have Leah help me hold it, that we're going to be doing together. And this is something we only do on Zoom. We don't take these out any other time. So you only do this with Mrs. Coslow or Mrs. DeLotte on Zoom. Right? And Leah, you did that in first grade as well.
I missed the wind voice.
Yes. Well, you did it last week. So bring your green assessment pocket to our class Zoom. You will also bring this to our small group Zoom later after recess. Now, if you're not in your small group Zoom, what are they working on today, Leah?
The November calendar.
Great. Leah, what day of the week does November start on?
Sunday.
Sunday. So one should be on a Sunday. And what day of the week does November end on? There are only 30 days in November.
Monday.
Yeah, it's going to end on a Monday. There is a picture for you to look at because we have 3 birthdays in November: Rosie, Charlie, and Emily. So
there's Rosie, there's Charlie, and there's Emily.
Yeah, and you have a picture so that you can write down the events on your own calendar, because there's also Veterans Day we'll be talking more about. And then there are some days we don't have school, like Veterans Day, and also for Thanksgiving break. Okay, now on top, where your calendar, so that means on the back of October, you're going to be coloring your cornucopia. And this is a beautiful display, usually in kind of a more cone-like basket full of plentiful harvest foods that are popular in the fall. And it's called a cornucopia.
Cornucopia.
So you're going to take your time and color this, and then you can cut it out and glue it on the back of the October page, because then when you open it, you'll have this at the top and your November calendar at the bottom. Okay, and we'll talk more about that if you have questions on Zoom. Now, go ahead and for math, you're going to go to Seesaw to do your place value detectives activity. That should be there on Seesaw. And if you have more time, you'll go log on to GG Math. At the end of the day, you'll be working on your election packet, because tomorrow is election voting day. So we're going to talk a lot about voting this week and what that means. And in here, you're going to read, and if you have time, color. If not, you might be finishing work from earlier in the day. So if you don't have time to color it, that's okay. There's also some videos and books and read alouds to teach you about elections and voting as well. Oh my goodness, this is a lot to cover today, but I know you guys can do it. And I know that you'll bring your questions to me when you see me on Zoom. Okay, we will see you after science. Bye, second graders.